that, yeah, the birth is there. What after the birth and where we should go? Who will send us or who will absorb us? These are all some of the questions. In other words, mrityu, because mrityu is important. Mrityur mamarayaditi. See, the idea, there is always a mrityu also born along with our janma. When we are born, mrityu is there. That's why mrityuho marayat. What is the work of that? And we want to make a prayer to Surya Bhagavan. Mrityurma marayaditi. So that mrityu must not trouble us anymore and all that. How many mrityus are there? We have seen Agni, Vayu, and Surya are the known mrityus. And again, they say that the Chandra also is a mrityu. Chandramaha avamaha mrityuho. So Madhyama, the first mrityu is Agni, next is Vayu, then then Surya, and then this Chandra. So Agnis and Vayu, and all these are chief associates to this great deity Vishnu, and they're also mrityus, and divided as Param, Avamam, Madhyamam, and Chatum. So these four people are divided into the categorization, and then an inquiry is coming. Why is this world coming? We say Leela Kalpita Brahmanda Mandalaya Namo Namaha, Leela Manusha Vigrahaya Namo Namaha. And so, like that, we have so many forums that the human forum is important for anything to be clearly explaining, to explain purely. Then the question is why the world is there. We have noted lokam cha punya papanam. And so what is the loka? The question is the world is created only for the punyam and papam. Punyam is after, papam is the fall. And about them, we are talking about lokam cha punya papanam etat pruchhami samprati pavamanam tu madhyamam agnireva avamo mrityuhu. And afterwards, we have also been given Chandrama, after Chandrama Chaturuchyate, then what is the karanam that I told you? That mrityu ma mara yaditi. So maranam is mrityu. And in fact, the story tells you that when so many Suryas are born, then Mrityu Devata Yama also goes and asks, I cannot do all these Mrityu operations to all people born. The number of people is large. In Puranas, you get it. So I want some assistant. So then Surya, Kashyapa Prajapati said, okay, take one son for you. Therefore, that son became Martanda. And Martanda is Agni. Martanda is only today. And now again we have got this beautiful expression as we see, Anabhogaha param mrityum papa sayyanti sarvada abhogastvaiva sayyanti yatra punya kruto janaha. See, abhogaha and anabhogaha, these are the two words which are introduced. These are two concepts. Abhogaha means punya janaha. They are all very happy people, and they are all called abhogaha. Anabhogaha are papins who do not do any spiritual karmas. Therefore, owing to the passage of time, like day and night, and people will end up their lifetime with spend sin only and spend their days also in sin. So all four stages of life is being given scope that one has to be very cautious about the papa that clings to that. And so how one can get off? Only in Bhuloka we are able to get rid of the papas, and then we'll be able to get cleared of all those things. So in the next, now there is a question पृच्छामि त्वा पापकृतः यत्र यातयते यमः. See, Tvam naha tad bruhi yadi vettha sato gruhan. So, one more question has been kept that, O learned man, where are Brahman? The Brahman is the word there. So, Pruchhamitva papakrutaha, O Brahmadeva, O learned person, I want to know, yatra yatayate janamaha. Please tell me at which place Lord Yama would be tormenting those people who are wicked. Yatana is a pain. Yamaha yatra yatayate, which is the place where Yama will take everybody to task and give punishments and make them grow. So, therefore, he says that please explain the mode in that manner that that Yama is treating, at what place. So it is a kind of this particular passage, Yadivetha Sato, there are Asata Gruhas. You know, Sadgruha and Asatgruha. Sadgruha is Swargalokam, Punyalokam, and Asatgruha is a place where only, that is a hell. Only the hell will be there. And so, Asato Gruhan. So he wanted to know Brahma is a person, possession of knowledge related to Veda, related to the life stories, life past, etc. of all the beings who are projected on the land or elsewhere. Therefore, that Yama or Brahman is the right person. So he has put a question. Where is this God Yama? He is going to give punishment to all. If you know, please tell me, and otherwise you know it. Now the answer comes up in the next sector. That is Kasyapa Dudita Surya. Chapandi? Kasyapa, next para 31. Kasyapa Dudita Surya. Please repeat.
Kasyapa Dudita Surya. Kasyapa Dudita Surya.
Papa Nirghanti Sarvata.
Apa Nirghanti Sarvada. Apa Nirghanti Sarvada.
Rodasyontardeseshu.
Rodasyorantarteseshu. Rodasyorantarteseshu.
Tatranyasyante vasavaihi.
Tatranyasyante vasavaihi. Tatranyasyante vasavaihi.
Te asharira prapadyante.
Te sarira prapadyante. Te sarira prapadyante.
Yatha punyasya karmanaha.
Yatha purnasya karmanaha. Yatha purnasya karmanaha.
Apanyapadakesasaha.
Apāඤñapādakeshasaha. Apāඤñapādakeshasaha.
Tatra te yonijagjanaha.
Tatra te yonijājanaha. Tatra te yonijājanaha.
Mrutva punarmrutyumapadyante.
Mrutva punarmrutyurmāpadyante. Mrutva punarmrutyurmāpadyante.
Adyamanaha swakarmabhihi.
Adyamana swakarnabihi. Adyamana swakarnabihi.
This is a very important information for us. And again, Aranyakas are the philosophical treatises. All yajnas are completed by Brahmana explanations and Samhita formulas. When we get into the Aranyakas, and then successively you have got Upanishads. They come into the plane of Vedanta. So Vedanta is also important. What is Vedanta? After learning the Jnanam, what is the kind of wisdom you sustain? Because the wisdom that we have got is most important for the drive of our life. If there is no the distinction power or Viveka Gnana or Manisha Shakti, we cannot manage our life successfully, fully, with hope and happiness. Therefore, now here we are given a philosophical truth that the Suryas are there. How many and who are how all the Suryas have born from Kashyapa. Kashyapa Dudita Surya. So what are the Suryas doing? See, the Suryas are trying to remove the sins of people. They make the people who sin living on the earth and heaven and in between places, and again as sinners, that is, they are troubling them. Don't think that Surya, Udayam or Surya will only allow us to do punyam. No, he will make us also to do more punyam, more papams. సామాన్యంగా స్వర్గలోకం నుంచి డెప్యూటీ అయిన వాళ్ళు మళ్ళా స్వర్గలోకంకి వెళ్ళలేరు. ఒకసారి బెంగళూరు నుంచి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అయిపోతే ఇంకొకరు అక్కడి నుంచి మళ్ళీ బెంగళూరు రావాలంటే అవ్వదు. చాలా మంది అలాగే రాకుండా రిటైర్ అయిపోతారు. ఆల్ త్రూ లైఫ్ దే విల్ బి థింకింగ్ అయ్యో బెంగళూరు బందిల్లా. అలాంటి ఎందుకంటే యూ డోంట్ నో వాట్ ఈస్ దట్. You when change comes, but you cannot always expect back to the same place. Therefore, sarvada papan nirgranti means they try to reduce the sin of the people on one hand. At the same time, they also give scope to make the people do more sins, and they will be placed in the hells. See, rodasyor antardeseshu. So this kind of activity will keep going on the earth and heaven and in between. Antardeseshu means in between. That is antariksha loka. So bhumi, akasha, antariksha loka, all these three lokas are prone for reducing the sin, at the same time acquiring new sin for us. కొత్త కొత్త పాపాలు చేస్తుంటారు ఆకర్షణీయంగా. సో ఈ కొత్త పాపము పాత పాపము రెండు ఉంటుంది కదా. పాత పాపాలు పోతే కొత్త పాపాలకు ఏమైనా కూడా ఉంటుంది. అవి ఇవి కలిసిందంటే ఇప్పుడు అందుకే ఈవెన్ బాడీ ఆల్సో ఎప్పుడో ఉన్న నొప్పులు మళ్ళా జ్ఞాపకం వస్తాయి. 10 ఏళ్ల కిందట పడ్డాను ఒక నొప్పి అవుతోంది ఇప్పుడు జ్ఞాపకం వస్తుందంట. సో there is a kind of recurrence and disappearance of pain. Same way, the sin also is like that. See, Vasavaha means they are all gods, and who are the forms of the various rays of the sun. ఈ దేవుని సూర్యకిరణాలను వాసవులు అంటారు. వసువులు ఎంత ఉన్నారో తెలీదు. Here is said, నోదస్యోరంతర్దేశేషు. So vasante vasavaha. So vasavaihi jasyante. Nyasa means depositing or placement. So ye vasavalu, who are vasavas? The kiranas of the sun. Surya kiranalanu rakarakaluga metaphorically people describe. Some say they are జ్ఞాన కిరణాస్ అంటారు, ఇంకొంతమంది ఋషులు అంటారు, ఇంకొంతమంది అది వేద జ్ఞానము అంటారు. సో సూర్య రశ్మికి ఎందుకంటే సూర్య శక్తి ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఎమనేటింగ్, వైబ్రేటింగ్ అండ్ స్ప్రెడింగ్. దట్స్ వై we see భానుమండల మధ్యస్థాయై నమో నమః. And Lalita Parameswari is supposed to be staying at the Bhanu Mandala, in the solar mandala. She is there, and it is her energy, her brightness, her kindness that is flowing forth through Surya. But that's why we imagine we are not bothered about sun, but we are bothered about the rays that the sun has got. So in Gayatri Mantra, what do? Diyo yona prachodayat varenyam bhargaha. See, varenyam bhargaha diyo yona prachodayat. Varenyam bhargava ante Surya Shakti. The immense energy of Surya Bhagavan and that heater, that energy is multifaceted. This cold, that's why Sanno Bhavachakshasa, San Nahim Sam Hima, Sam Grunena, like that we have seen that everything, all is because of the kiranas of Lord Sun. Therefore, the Vasavaha, the kiranasu, they are able to cover up the entire areas. So the Vasavaha are the gods. But how are the gods appearing? They are all appearing in the form of the rays. That's why we say Deva. All divinities are called as Deva because they have the Kirana Swabhava in them. So they are having the rays of sun, but it is variant as it sends the sinners to the respective places of health. It is a symbolic that sun is the healer, sun is the sustainer, sun is the promoter of life, and at the same time, sun is the annihilator of life. కాబట్టి సూర్యుడు అనేవాడు మంచి అనుకోవడం తప్పు. సూర్యుడి నుంచి దోషాలు ఎన్నో వస్తాయి, సూర్యుడి నుంచి అనుకూలాలు ఎన్నో వస్తాయి. కానీ సూర్య భగవాన్ is a common source. And how you use your daylight is also important. You know, that great scientist said sun rays, so he said X-ray. So alpha rays, beta rays, gamma, whatever, all rays are like that. And therefore, tatra nyasyante vasavaihi. And those people who have been deputed to the hells and all that, and for this, who is the cause? Kashyapa Rishi is the cause to suns exist and also make the respective suns to execute their own functions with the rays and all that, and that's why they are causing the day and night, the pradosha and dosha, both of them, they are causing it. Therefore, the kiranas are important. And now we come to next topic, very important. All people are not punya karmas. There are more apunya karmas are there many. So what happens is that all those people who are still continuing to be sinners, they get body or they may not get body. If at all they get the body, it will be defective body. Yavado on the lopam untundi lopam lava. We know cases where people are born hole in the heart or with jaundice or some such kind of problem to the just born people, and they continue. Some people do continue. Therefore, they can't help asariraha prapadyante, and that is also commensurate to the punya apunyasya karmanaha. ఎంతెంత పాపాలు చేశారో ఆ పాపాల యొక్క వెయిట్ మీద ఆ శరీరాలు నిర్మాణం అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో అవర్ బాడీ బిల్ట్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ ది అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ a ratio of punyam and papam which we have got remnant in us. And if papam is there, then see, look at apani apada kesha saha. So people are born without legs or defect in the legs. Vankara kaalతో పుడతారు. And that will be their janma gift. No doctor can help him to repair, to straighten the legs. We have such like apani, even pani is hands. Even some people are born with problem in the hands, and some people are born with more fingers. If they are redundant, doctor will remove that, surgeon. Anyway, like that, apani, apada, and kesha, even hair also. So without hair, normally all Indian babies are born with rich hair. But American babies and also gundu. తర్వాత పెరుగుతుంది వాళ్ళకి. No, see, సృష్టి క్రమము చాలా విచిత్రంగా ఉంటుంది. And where is that blackness for the Negroes? నలుపే పొట్టలోని నలుపు ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? తెల్లగా పుట్టరు కదా వాడు. ఎంత ఆశ్చర్యం అంటే ఇవంతా సూర్య భగవానుడి యొక్క, అది కూడా కాకుండా వసువులు అంటే దేవతలు. ఆ దేవతలే కాంతి రూపంలో కిరణాలుగా సూర్యుడికి ఉంటారు. Therefore, these and apunya, the sinners obtain incomplete bodies, and they have defects either in the hands, in the feet, or in the hair. Some people are born with bald. If not, immediately after some time they become bald. They lose hair. So it is all true that they are going to get and there is also possibility some serious sinners are there, they will not be born at all. That's what is called Shaswata Narakaloka. You know, in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is afraid. In the first chapter, if I were to kill all these people, I will be getting Shaswata Narakaloka Vasa. I don't want. Already I have good load of sins, but by killing all these people in the war, I will be worst sinner. I will not get any kind of relief at all. Then Krishna says, impossible, my dear brother-in-law. You should know that if you don't kill, you will become a better sinner. If you kill them in the war to uphold dharma, listening to my talk, tasmat kuru maya vachanam yujyasva bharata karmani. You know, in the entire Bhagavad Gita, there are only 3 principles you should remember. What is that called? That Krishna Bhagavan says? He says that Sangam Chaktva Kuru. 1. Don't hanker upon the results. You do your duty. And secondly, he says that he says that Mam Anusmara Yudhyacha. Meerevaru Bhagavad Gita class raadala kabatti meeku koncham cheptunna. See, Krishna is Surya Bhagavan. He said, Mam Anusmara Yudhyacha. See, don't keep on spending hours and hours with puja and thinking me. No. You have got to go to office. You have got to feed your children. You have to do so many asma. No, don't. That's why Kuru. So, Mam Anusmara Yudhyacha. You keep remembering me and then make Yuddham. And again, how do I Anusmara? Then again, he tells you solution. Mayarpita Manobuddhi. Your property is Manasu and Buddhi. What is your property? You try to deposit in me. I will take care of them. You don't bother about your Manas and Buddhi. That's exactly what happened to Bhishma and Krishna. When Bhishma was remembering much, Krishna appeared. And he told Bhima, Krishna told Bhima and Arjuna, no, Bhishma is remembering me, so I remember. So like that here also, they said Akesha Saha and Ayonijaha Janaha. Yoni means a place to be born. Ayoni means no place to be born. Me permission unte gaani anukuntavu chachina vallanta puttarani. No guarantee, Baba. There is no guarantee when people die should again be born. They may not get eligibility to birth at all. Evandi Srinivas garu, avuna? See, even to be born also there should be some minimum eligibility qualification. If minimum qualification is not there, we will not be considered at all for birth.
Yeah.
Amma, ee divine administration adbhutanga untundi.
Yes.
And we have no hold on the divine administration. And our purview is quite limited. Therefore, apani apada keshasaha and ayonija janaha means that there are people who cannot find any source to be reborn at all. And not source to be reborn means there are 2 things, alternatives. Either they get moksham or continue to be a citizen of the Yamaloka.
True, sir, true.
And moksha is escaping from the Yamaloka. And so, not enjoy, not get any birth at all. But emancipation is almost a birthright that you can work for. Birth unte mokshaniki prayatnam cheyochu. కొప్పు ఉంటే స్టైల్స్ చేయొచ్చు, జడ ఉంటే హెయిర్ ఉంటే స్టైల్స్ చేయొచ్చు, హెయిరే లేకపోతే ఏం స్టైల్స్ చేస్తారండి? No hair
Well,
styles.
correct.
So that's why hair is important for any styles and fashion. So here, that's what. So emancipation is liberation from birth and death. So when we have come on into this world, we are all making knowledge and effort in a manner that is available and convenient to us, so that we don't want return or we don't want to stay in Yamaloka. You know, when in the Swargarohana Parvam, Mahabharata, Yamadharmaraja first visited Yamalokam. Not that he loves his father Yama to see him first.
Mhm.
So the explanation is that భూలోకంలో ఎంత ధర్మరాజు అయినా కూడా 2 సార్లు అబద్ధం చెప్పాడు కదమ్మా. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అశ్వత్థామ హతః కుంజరః అన్నాడు ద్రోణాచార్య దగ్గరికి.
Hmm.
ధర్మరాజు మహాత్ముడు, ద్రోణాచార్యులు మహాత్ముడు. మహాత్ముడికి చెప్తూ ఉంటే there will be some kind of standardization. So Dharmaraja comes and announces loudly, Ashwathama hataha. In his mind he said Kunjara. But which did not, Ashwathama hataha hurt Dronacharya so much that he stopped all his weapons and he forgot all that and became Nishastra. And then advantage was taken by Drishtadyumna. Katha, Drishtadyumna jumps onto the Drona's chariot, holds him by hair and cuts off with sword the neck of the Dronacharya. But Ashwathama, angry upon Drupada and because he touched the hair of his father.
Mhm.
There are only 3 people who can touch the hair: father, parents, wife, and barber.
Oh.
మహారాజు అయినా చక్రవర్తి అయినా వాడు తలవంచాల్సిందేమో మంగళవాడి దగ్గర, లేకపోతే కాట్లు పడుతుంది. That's why for a చక్రవర్తి a barber is said to be apnapita. How interesting it is it not?
Yes, sir.
అలా ఉంచితే గానీ చక్కగా వాడు హెయిర్ స్టైల్ చేయలేడు కదా. సో మన ధర్మశాస్త్రంలో ఏం చెప్పారు, ఎంత వాడైనా కూడా ముగ్గురికి తల వంచాల్సిందే. అండ్ అంటే తల్లిదండ్రులు, వైఫ్, స్పౌస్, అండ్ దెన్ దిస్. సో ఐ థింక్ అయోనిజ జనా. అండ్ నౌ నెక్స్ట్ we have come to that. మృత్వా పునర్మృత్యుమాపద్యంతే. చూసారా, మృత్వా పునర్మృత్యుమాపద్యంతే. When people die, they again die. Death is not a permanent solution at all అని చెప్తాడు. Our Aranyaka tells us that అమ్మాయ చచ్చానండి సరిపోయింది అంటారు ఎవరన్నా. No, death is no permanent solution. The sinners get death and again after dying death. But so those sinners are consumed by or troubled by their own sins. Mrutva punarmrutyumapajyante adyamanaha swakarmabhihi. Tamma karmagalu. Karma means punyam and papam. So don't think karma is only papam. No, even punya karma, papa karma. Therefore, swakarma bhihi means everybody has got the karma tag. Therefore, even Shankaracharya says, Adau karma prasangat kalayati matrikuchau. మళ్ళా అమ్మ కడుపులోకి రావాలి అంటే కర్మ ప్రసంగం, పుణ్యకర్మ, పాపకర్మ స్టాక్ ఉంది మన దగ్గర. ఆ స్టాక్ను మనం ఎగ్జాస్ట్ చేయాలి, పాపాన్ని ఎగ్జాస్ట్ చేయాలి, పుణ్యాన్ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. Therefore, there is the opportunity for us to get the punyam more. Therefore, the sinners are being adyamana. Adyamana means eating. otherwise troubled. See, even భోంచేయడం కూడా ఒక ట్రబులే కదా మనకు. భోజనము అనేది ఇట్స్ నాట్ అట్ ఆల్ ఎ ప్లెజర్, ఇట్స్ ఎ పెయిన్ఫుల్ ప్రెషర్. If your mouth and teeth and tongue etc. are not cooperative and stomach, then eating food also is a nuisance. Oh, today I took that, I did not, I should not, all these remorses comes after food. చాలా రుచిగా ఉంటుంది చారు పులుసులు, ఉప్పు కారము ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, తినేటప్పుడు తెలుస్తుంది వేడిలో, బట్ ఆ తర్వాత యూ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ది డిఫరెన్స్. దేర్ఫోర్ అద్యమానాః, next month it appears to be a World Food Day. So I want a food engineer to talk about food importance to us technically. Otherwise, next month October issue, the October Google Meet lo, we'll have a food engineer, otherwise called head of department of food engineering in the university. She will be talking to us. అంటే అద్యమానాః అంటే మనం అందరూ ట్రబులింగ్ సుఖము పడుతూ ఉన్నాం. That is, we are being consumed. What is that which will consume us much? Our own karmas. పుణ్యకృత్ పుణ్యమస్తుతే. రామాయణంలో వాల్మీకి మహర్షి చెప్తాడు, పుణ్యకృత్ పుణ్యమస్తుతే, పాపకృత్ పాపమస్తుతే. In the same thing, in other words, he says, శుభకృత్ శుభమస్తుతే, అశుభకృత్ అశుభముప్నుతే. సో శుభాశుభేషు జీవితం జీవన ప్రవర్తి, శుభము అశుభము రెండు చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ పుట్టిన తర్వాత ఎలా వాళ్ళు బాధపడుతున్నారంటే ఆశాతికాః క్రిమయ ఇవ. సో ఎవ్రీబడి ఇస్ ఎ క్రిమి. క్రిమి అంటే వర్మ్స్, క్రీచర్స్. సో వర్మ్స్ దే హ్యావ్ ఎ వెరీ షార్ట్ లైఫ్, బట్ they don't know when they get killed by people. చీమను ఎవరు తొక్కేస్తారో తెలియదు దారి లోపల, బట్ బతకాలని చీమకు ఆశ ఉంటుంది, కాక్రోచ్కు ఆశ ఉంటుంది కదండి. ఎవరీ ఇన్సెక్ట్ హ్యాస్ గాట్ స్వీట్నెస్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్, బట్ man's little different because he has got lot of defense paraphernalia. బట్ యాంట్కి ఏముందండి పాపము, యాంట్ ఉండే జాగాలో ఉంటే అది రోడ్డు క్రాస్ చేస్తే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సో క్రిమయ వర్మ్స్, బట్ దే ఆర్ ఆఫ్ షార్ట్ లైఫ్ బికాస్ దే ఆర్ టార్మెంటెడ్ బై ది పీపుల్. ఒక మెడిసిన్ మా మానవులకి వెళ్ళాలి అంటే ఎన్ని అనిమల్స్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తారు చూసారా న్యూట్రిషన్ ల్యాబ్ లోపల. I happened to visit in Delhi the nutrition labs. The director was our friend. He took me around there I found all kinds of animals being kept under captive for experimentation of the drugs that they have manufactured or proposed. ఎలకలు, పిల్లులు, కుక్కలు, కోతులు అవన్నీ చూస్తూనే when I saw them all caged or kept captives there, I asked the professor, why are all here? I don't know, at that time I was too young to know. Now I remember that instance. Then he said, these are all our victims of experiments. Kabatti ఆశాతికాః క్రిమయ ఇవ. అండ్ తర్వాత ఏమైంది, when the sinners are being held on to life by the vasavaha, the gods are hurting the sinners as they hold on to their life. So who are those which hurt? సూర్యకిరణములే మనల్ని చంపేస్తుంది, సూర్యకిరణములే మనకు దుఃఖాన్ని ఇస్తుంది, సూర్యకిరణములే మనకు కాంతిని ఇస్తుంది, సూర్యకిరణములే మనకు ఆధారంగా ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ఈ తతః పూయంతే వాసవైః, ఎంత నాలెడ్జ్ చూసారా శ్రీనివాస్ గారు.
You are unfolding it for the world over, sir. I would say the future generations. No, I don't think anybody has taken so many hours of deliberation at all, probably anywhere, sir. Any mutt, any Guruji. That's all I can tell you.
It's all Sarya Anugraha, and you are going to be, and this could, because this is being recorded, and it will be reaching how to think about it.
Yes, sir.
Because we may take always Surya as positive god.
Yes.
No, he's not. Yesterday, the other day, when I spoke on Ganapati Shodasopachara Puja and Panchavachara Puja in the Hindu temple here, the Ganapati Varasana, I explained them now gods are also killers. Then one of the persons, some people did not like to utter gods are killers. Suddenly somebody came and asked me, sir, how you are telling gods are killers? Then why should we pray them? So, not that they should kill us or promote us only. So, we have to make prayer to them.
Yes.
So, Tatah Puyante Vasavaihi. And now, another important expression is Apaitam Mrutyum Jayati. Mrutyum Jayati. Chapani Apaitam Mrutyum Jayati.
Apaitam mrutyum jayati. Apaitam mrutyum jayati. Ya evam veda. Ya evam veda.
Sakhalvaivam Vidbrahmanaha.
Sakhalvaivam vidbrahmanaha. Sakhalvaivam vidbrahmanaha.
Kasyapasya Dirghasuttamo bhavati.
Dirghashruttamo bhavati. Dirghashruttamo bhavati.
Kasyapasya
Kashyapasya. Kashyapasya.
Siddhagamanaha.
Siddhagamanaha. Siddhagamanaha. Siddhagamanaha. Siddhagamanaha.
Tasyaisha bhavati.
Tasyaisha bhavati. Tasyaisha bhavati.
Ayasmin saptavasavaha.
Yasmin saptavasavaha. Yasmin saptavasavaha.
Rohanti purvyaruhaha.
Rohanti purvyaruhaha. Rohanti purvyaruhaha.
It's a very beautiful statement. You know? Now we are going to get the rewards of worship to Surya Bhagavan. And what are the rewards? And he who knows like this, he would be transcending the incidents of birth like worms and creatures. He will never get low birth. Worms anni kuda krimulanni low birth. We don't want lower birth. We want always higher birth. ముసలి వాళ్ళకి మాత్రమే లోయర్ బర్త్ ఇస్తారు, చిన్న వాళ్ళకి అంతా హయ్యర్ బర్త్ ఇస్తారు. సో దే విల్ హ్యావ్ ఎ అదర్ వ్యూ. దట్స్ వై ది ఫలశ్రుతి ఆఫ్ ఈ స్వకర్మభిహి అన్నారు కదా, ఆ స్వకర్మల లోపల హీనమైన కర్మలు చేసిన వాళ్ళందరూ చేతులు లేకుండా, కాళ్ళు లేకుండా, వెంట్రుకలు లేకుండా డిఫెక్టివ్గా పుడతారు. అండ్ అనదర్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఈస్ దే విల్ నాట్ బి బార్న్ అగైన్. They will remain there only. But on the other hand, the karma is an important function, that if they are having a less sins and removed of sins, they will have noble birth. See, apaitam mrutyum jayati. Jayati and victorious. They declare victory over the Mrutyu Devata. That is, what is that Mrutyu Devata declaration? You will not be born as a low creatures. అంటే హీన జాతులను పుట్టడము, హీన జన్మలు పొందడము వద్దు. అందుకే త్యాగరాజు అంటాడు, కడు దుర్లభమగు మానవ జన్మ అంటాడు. మహా దుర్లభమైన మానవ జన్మ ఎత్తిన తర్వాత యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూటిలైజ్ దట్ అప్రాప్రియేట్లీ. Durlabham manusham janma. That's what he said. Durlabham manusham janma. And nalpasya tapasa param. See, unless you have done a great punyam, you will not be able to get Mano Janma or a better Punyam. That's why he says that Apaitam Apa Jayati Mrutyum. Ya Evam Veda. Anybody who knows this secret. What is secret? Your karma, punya karma and papa karma. And the subsequent result of punya karma, subsequent result of the papa karma, if you are able to be aware of that, then sakhalvaivam vitu brahmana. So that such person will become a Brahmin. That is, he becomes a famous person. And how much dirgha sruttamo bhavati, such type of Brahmin will be permanently remembered because of his kirti, which can be enjoyed by all people at all generations. You know, for example, Vishwamitra, Vasishtha, Vamadeva, Sayanacharya, Krishnadevaraya, we remember all these people, is it not?
Yes,
We
sir.
don't know when they live. Actually, to date all these great Chakravartis and Maha Munis and all that is very difficult. But we are enjoying we are reaping the benefits because of their work.
Yes,
That's
sir.
what is called Dirgha Srut Tamaha. Srut is the Kirti, Dirgha is long drawn, Tamaha is the best. And also na Kasyapasya Atitihi. So any person who is a Brahmana, who has done all good work and who has got higher eligibility, he will be the guest of Kasyapa Prajapati.
No, Siddhagamana.
So look at
Atithi.
the reward. If you want to enter the house of Kasyapa Maharshi, Prajapati, you have to make yourself qualified, not only qualified, desirable qualification also. Your application law advertisement చేస్తారు. Qualification, BE, MBA, BE, MBA, desirable experience లిస్ట్ ఇస్తారు. ఆ డిజైరబుల్ చూస్తే మీరు ఎలిజిబుల్ కాదు, మీ డిగ్రీ కాదు ఎలిజిబిలిటీ ఇచ్చేది, డిజైరబిలిటీ. So in all advertisements, we see that desirability. So the desirability will be there when you are a Uttama Brahmana. Brahmana andre Gnani, who knows everything. And a Gnani can always impart Gnanam. And so if you happen to, that's why all our Rishis tell you, Satsangatve Nissangatvam, Nissangatve Nirmohatvam, Nirmohatve Nischaratatvam, Nischaratatve Jivan Mukti, Bhaja Govindam, like that. Shankaracharya has given a clue.
Yes, sir.
That satsanga is the first one. That is, you should be a Brahmana. That Brahmana samsarga, then you will be really independent of your own personal eminence. So Kasyapasya Atithihi, he becomes the guest of, eligible guest of the son Kasyapa. Not only that, so he will be able to Atithi Siddhagamanaha. Siddhagamana means he can come back again into the world, into any yoni he wants.
Oh.
That's exactly Krishna is telling. Karma yoga prashtaha kaha kim bhavati adutadu. Then Krishna is trying to answer yoga prashta inavadu Srimatam gehe jayate. He will either be born in a rich families or he will be born in the yoga families, yogic families. So thereby, again, whatever lacuna is there, that he will be able to fulfill and go to permanent yoga or moksha. See how much of technology is there in this.
Yes, sir. That one line, Kashyapasya Atithi Siddhagamana. It is a wonderful insight in it.
Look, if you are a guest of Prime Minister, you are really
Yes.
putting hundreds of papers.
Yes.
Is it not? So
Yes, sir.
then you will be the Patithi. And I mean, you must expect to be a guest for the eminent people.
Yes.
And that is, for that you have to qualify.
Yes.
And that qualification is trying to remove that kind of low activity. Those who perform high activity, they can aspire to be reaching the heights. And those who are contented with lower activity, then they will be at that level only. It's everybody's known thing. Why we are all sitting here to spend some time with Surya Bhagavan? It is a higher activity, a
Yes.
spiritual activity. So that Surya Bhagavan will take note, oh, this is the time. Our Rama Emanuru have arranged, some people are joining and other people are listening. So I am remembered. And this is a kind of good activity, Subhakarma. I think that's why we are having opportunity like that, I think. So like that, and Siddhagamanaha, Siddhagamanaha, Siddhagamanaha. See, simple harmony. If you want, you can go as a visit to Siddha Kashyapa. And if you don't want, you can also get out from Kashyapa, have a better life.
Mm.
Gamana, Agamana, going
Oh.
and coming. That kind of return ticket also is there. You have your own power. You need not go to again office to book your return ticket. ఒకసారి మీరు రిటర్న్ టికెట్ తీసుకుంటే ఆ డేట్ వస్తే యు ఆర్ టికెట్, ఇస్ ఇట్ నాట్?
Yes, sir.
సో వెన్ యు ఆర్ అపైతం మృత్యుం జయతి అన్నప్పుడు మృత్యువును జయించింటే కీర్తి వస్తుంది. దీర్ఘసుత్తమో భవతి. వెన్ యు ఆర్ దీర్ఘసుత్తమ, then you will become the guest of Surya Bhagavan. And when you are a guest of Surya Bhagavan, you are not caged there only. You will get the freedom to go anywhere to the place. Something like Narada. Naraduniki enti Triloka Sanchari antam. He can visit any place, anywhere, at any time, anyhow. No, there is no time given appointment for Narada.
Mhm.
Narada goes to anybody, everybody stands up and makes namaskara. Whether it be a Rakshasa or a Deva or a Manava or anybody. అందుకే ఆయనకి ఏమి త్రిలోక సంచారి, బికాజ్ త్రిలోక సంచారి, he is always a poor fellow, prone for many curses. నారదుడికి ఇచ్చినట్టు శాపాలు ఏ ఋషికి లేవు.
Mhm.
Ultimate one is that he was also cursed to become a woman, give birth for children.
Mhm.
And he gave birth for 60 sons. And all these 60 sons are Prabhava, Vibhava, and all the Samvatsaras. That is the blessing given to the Narada's kids by Narayana, the Kala Purusha. And actually, when Narayana said, you come back, your time of being woman is over. You come back and చెప్తే అప్పుడు నారదుడు అడుగుతా, అమ్మ ఎంతైనా పిల్లవాళ్ళ యొక్క క్షేమం కావాలి కదా, నా కొడుకులు ఏం చేస్తాను, నేను వచ్చేస్తే అని అడుగుతుంది. ఆ నారదుడు అడుగుతాడు, నీకేం బాధపడక, వాళ్ళు 60 సంవత్సరాలుగా రివాల్వ్ అవుతూ ఉంటారు. సో యువర్ సన్స్ ఆర్ ఇమ్మార్టల్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ ప్రామిసింగ్. దెన్ ఓన్లీ Narada became Narada. And there is also one more belief that in Kakinada there is one called Sarpavaram Lake. సో నారదుడు ఆ సర్పవరం లేక్ లో మునిగి తన స్త్రీ శాపాన్ని పోగొట్టుకున్నాడు అని అంటారు. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ హర్డ్ దేర్. సో ఈ భూభాగంలో ఎన్ని శాప విమోచనాలకి అవకాశాలు ఉందో శాపానికి తెలియదు. సో సర్పవరం లేక్ అంటే ఆ రోజుల్లో మునిగి తన స్త్రీ శాపాన్ని తగ్గించుకొని మళ్ళా నారద మహర్షిగా గురు దగ్గర మొదలెట్టాడు. చూసారా ఇక్కడ కశ్యపస్య అతిథి, దెన్ సిద్ధాగమన. సిద్ధగమన ఎంత బాగుంది కదా. అంటే పుణ్యం చేసిన వాడికి ఎప్పుడూ పుణ్యం వర్క్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటుంది. వాసన గల పువ్వు will not at all ask all people to come and smell. The smell or fragrance of the flower will automatically reach more people. Yatha vrukshasya sampushpitasya durad gandho vati anta. So in Maharana Upanishad, he said, if a well-blossomed flower with fragrance, it stays with the plant only. But The fragrance will reach all people. People come to look at what is this flower giving so much fragrance.
Yes, sir.
That's why Siddhagamanaha, Siddhagamanaha. So here you see etam apamrutyum. So tarati. సూర్య భగవానుని ప్రార్థన చేస్తే వాళ్ళు కష్టమైన యాక్సిడెంటల్ డెత్ ని పోగొట్టుకుంటారు. They will have a normal death. And moreover, in Parasar Smriti, it is said, Sanyastam Brahmanam Drishtva Sthana Chaladu Haskara అని. అంటే సన్యాసం తీసుకుంటున్న బ్రాహ్మణం చూస్తే సూర్య భగవానుడు చాలా ఆలోచిస్తాడు. వీడు ఎందుకంటే ఏషమే మండలం భిత్వా పరోయాస్తి, నా మండలానికంటే పై మండలానికి వెళ్ళిపోతాడు వీడు. అంటే సన్యాసిత్వానికి అంత ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇచ్చారు మన హిందూయిజంలో, మన వేదిక రిలీజన్లో. అందరికీ సన్యాసులు అవుతే నిజంగా సన్యాసులు అవ్వాలి. నేను సన్యాసం తీసుకొని వెళ్తున్నాను, ఇంటి దగ్గర జాగ్రత్త అని చెప్పకూడదు. ಮನೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮನೆ ಕಡೆ ಜಾಗ್ರತ, ನಾನು ಸನ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಹೊರಟಾಗ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಧೇಶ್ವರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗ. ವರ್ಧೇಶ್ವರ used to say like that. No. So here this is possible only Suryopasana. In other words, what are we impressed here? That Suryopasana is really highly potential, powerful meditation that you can reduce your sin. You can avoid taking the sarira, it's a defective complaints, and be born as a worms where the lifespan is a danger. Anytime you can be trampled down if you are a worm, kriya. But every worm lives ashatika, with asha, with hope. And so all that low births will be done for, and you will be born as a brahmana, a learned man, a tapasvi, and then ultimately you will have access to go to Kashyapa Prajapati and the source of all light and punyam, and not only go but also come back, so you have got that kind of to and fro eligibility.
Yeah.
ఇప్పుడు మేము విమానం ఎక్కాలంటే అయ్యో రామత్తు బోర్డు సతంగాలు ఉంది. Earlier we used to buy ticket and sit in the aircraft, but now there are so many things to be attended to before you think of buying a ticket. That's why we are taking our own time. So though we are anxious to come to India, see Bharat, but we are just postponing that. So like that, Agamanamu, Gamanamu. Siddha, successful. And next one, we just read and stop, I think. Yes, please repeat.
Yes, sir.
Indrasya yasmin saptavasavaha rohanti purvyaruha. Repeat.
Yasmin saptavasavaha rohanti purvyaruha. Yasmin saptavasavaha rohanti purvyaruha.
Rishirha dirghasruttamaha.
Rushirha dirghashruttamaha. Rushirha dirghashruttamaha.
Indrasya gharmo atithiriti.
Indrasya gharmo atitiriti. Indrasya gharmo atithiriti.
So now we come on to there is one seer by name Dirghasruttamanta. Dirghasruttama is a blind seer, born blind seer. And he is the seer of the Nasadiya Sukta, one of the most loud, quoted, annotated creation hymn from Rigveda. Nasadasit Sadasit, it becomes like that. So the Dirghasruttama is one example where the Rishi, Rigvedic Rishi, he is highly philosophical and he has free access to go to Surya Bhagavan and come back. Dirghasruttama, the bright seer, he became one of the important Rishis who have been honored by Kashyapa Surya, and in whom all the sons got deposited who had born before the creation. So, anta eminence unnatuvanti vaadu aa Dirgha. You know, all our Rigvedic seers are extraordinary human beings. And for example, Rama is also an extraordinary human being, is it not? Manavottamudaina Ramachandrudu. Manavottamudu Ramachandrudu. Purushottamudu Krishna. Purushottama Yoga in Gita 15th chapter, when yoga is described, but who is Purushottama? Krishna is Purushottama. And Rama is Manavendra or Manavottama, Maryada Rama. So here we have got Saptavasavaha Purvyaruha Rohanti. See the seven rays, Saptavasavaha. Who are the Saptavasavas? That is Aroga, Braja, Patara, Patanga, and Arogo, Braja, Patara, Patanga, Swarnaro, Jyotishi, Mahasaha. These are all the Suryas. And all these Suryas are being deposited in the highly eminent sphere like Dirgha Sutta. So Surya Shakti or Surya Shakti is deposited in Dirgha Suttama. In other words, he is so much eligible to visit Surya Bhagavan. But we should also get a wonderful chance to go to Surya Bhagavan. When you go to those heights, the Surya becomes cool to us, like the fire at the tip or the tail of Anjaneya. So cool and so large. That's why he was able to burn Lanka. And Anjaneya gets a thought that I am like that. So here we have come to Rushihi Dirgha Suttamaha and Indrasya Gharmaha Atitihi. That he is the Atithi, so that he is the Atithi for the Surya Bhagavan and Kashyap Prajapati and all that. So we have an example of the persons who have, of the seers, who have reached those heights, and they have earned access to and fro from Kashyapa Lokam, from Surya Lokam, and from the highest region of the cosmos, and which is highly covetable. We don't know, but we are thinking about it more and more. So this Aruna Prashna is an interesting manual, a science manual or art manual or philosophical treatise, where you have all-round knowledge related to Surya Bhagavan, Surya Mandalam, the number of Suryas, and how they are all operative upon the world, how they are able to encourage people to do punyam, and at the same time discourage them to do papam, and again to allow them to do more papam, to become worst fellows. And we have the mention of the Narakaloka. Even Naraka itself is a very, Yamaloka itself is a very big area. There are so many layouts in the Narakalokam. And only one particular layout is expanded to punish all the sinners who go there. But otherwise, even Narakalokam also is good, something like this Andaman Nicobar Islands. Earlier, we were thinking Andaman Nicobar there is a jail which people cannot reach afterwards. The criminals are deputed. So, because of technology and all that, people visit Andaman Nicobar to enjoy vacation and sightseeing. Anyway, so like that, now we get an idea about the lokas also. And so I think we can stop here and we continue next. Om Swasti.
Swasti.
Sahana Bhavatu. Sahanau
Bhavatu. Sahaviryam Karavavahai. Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Hari Om.
Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Veda Purusha Ashirvadostu.
Om Tat Satu.
Om Tat Sat.
So circulate the flyer to your friends tomorrow
Yes, sir.
program,
Oh,
and I expect more people to be benefited by the, because such a popular stotram is Aditya Hridayam
yes, sir.
that people mechanically read.
So from my childhood, right from not a day we have missed, but as you rightly said, little we are able to understand.